So it really is that simple. All you need to do is, hey, Chris here. In today's video, I want to share with you how you can do the Bet365 early payout 2-up offer, even if your account is gubbed, and show you how you can set up other accounts legally and continue doing the 2-up Bet365 offer. So once I started making good money doing the Bet365 2-up offer, which I'll leave a link in the corner now for the video I've done on how I do it and how it works and everything like that, I got to the point where I was placing £500 stakes. And when you do that, Bet365 look into your account and gub you if they see that all you're doing is targeting the early payout offer. So once I got gubbed on my own account, which took about 6 months or so, something like that, I started using my brother's account once I got gubbed on my own. Once his account got gubbed though, I then needed other Bet365 accounts.
I need your clothes, your boots.
Bet365 account.
When I actually had my account, Bet365 offered for me to apply for a bank card through Bet365, which is then connected directly to your account. And it means you can withdraw up to £1,000 a day from a cash machine using that card. So I thought, great, I can ask anyone I want.
You talking to me?
To set up an account in their name, so it's all nice and legal. You really do not want to go down the path of setting up fake names and doing this, because that's super illegal. I'd never recommend doing anything like that. We want to stay all above board here. I found the way of I can get money out of accounts from people that it's not under my name or even my family or friends' name, and that's great. But then I thought, well, how can I get money into the account of my own without using that person's bank details? Because if you approach someone randomly on the internet and say, oh, by the way, can I have your bank details? I want to use a bookmaker account in your name. What are they going to do? They're going to say no. However, I did find a way, and that way is by using something called a PaySafe card, or what is really a voucher. Because what you do is you just go to a PaySafe approved shop. Usually co-ops are approved for these. You buy them £50 at a time, and you can buy up to £200 a day with your own bank card, and then you can go to other places and use cash to buy them. I found even if you buy £200 with your bank card at a shop and then try and use, say, £100 cash to buy more if you need more, the machine doesn't work, and they'll tell you that, sorry, that's all it can do. So maybe there's a limit of £200 a day that shop can do, which is a bit ridiculous when you think about it, because someone could go in, want £200 of vouchers, and then someone that comes in directly after with cash, they're not going to be able to get any. So it really is that simple. All you need to do is ask friends, ask family, and just specifically say, I don't need any of your bank details. So the chances of them saying yes is very high, and you'll be able to then just go to a co-op, buy the PaySafe vouchers, put the money on the account. There's a little 16-digit number that you type in on Bet365 website. It puts the money on the account, and then you're able to place the bets onto 2-ups. Bet365 don't care, because at the end of the day, you're still just betting on football with your money. So what do they care? It's just more money for them. No one's losing here. And then once you get the permission to apply for that bank card, so I would recommend starting off with no more than £50 bets on each football match, and preferably keeping it to low odds matches so you don't win too much money into the account, and keep the bets low. And then once they give you that permission, which could take up to 6 months or maybe even longer, but it's worth doing it if you want to keep doing 2-ups, you'll then get that Bet365 card in your pocket, and you'll be able to just put the money on with PaySafe vouchers, take the money out, and that's using another Bet365 account that's not even in your name. It's completely legal because it is in someone else's name officially, and they're giving you permission to use it. So it's all nice and legal, and it'll just allow you to carry on placing these 2-up offer bets and making profit from it. If you found this video helpful to help you carry on making these 2-up profits, please drop a like below and put a comment in the comment section. It helps me out. Maybe comment about how much money you've made on 2-ups since you started doing them, something like that. And if you are interested in joining my match betting group over on Facebook, I'll leave a link in the description. Really appreciate you getting over there, and I'm just trying to build a big community of like-minded match bettors, all there to help each other out. I think there's about 25 members now, something like that. And of course, if you want more match betting helpful content, I'm posting videos on here every Tuesday and Thursday at least, sometimes more, on different ways you can make money online and everything to do with being smarter with money and stuff like that. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.